Hello and welcome to this tutorial video on how to use price presets with Edikio software. During the software installation, Evolus gives you a choice of several currencies. If your currency is not available, or if you want to edit a price presets, this is how to proceed. From the settings view, select the tag layout of your choice. Click on Edit Tag Layout, the Design module opens. First, to access the price options, select the price field on the tag layout. The object properties open. From this window, you can preview the current preset, or choose from one of the available price presets. Price presets in Edikio are used to automate the price entry and update within Edikio and allow multiple price formatting possibilities according to your needs. By clicking on User-Defined Format, you will be able to completely customize one of the available price presets. Edikio software manages three types of prices: decimal prices, 2.50 for instance, then integer prices such as 18, and decimal prices below 1 like 0.99. A price preset can be defined as a set of parameters which you need to apply to each of these three price types. In Edikio, a price is made of several components: the integer part before the decimal separator, then the decimal separator itself, and the decimal part. Prefixes or suffixes can also be used to write the currency sign or other information, like the unit for instance. Let's reproduce the price as shown on this photograph. Let's start with the decimal price type. The integer part size is already set to the maximum size 100%. Here we don't need to select a thousands separator. Next, the decimal separator. We can choose one from the list or type it manually. Here the euro sign was used. Let's type it in. Then we can choose the separator size and alignment from a list of choices. Here we select 70% and aligned on top. Our model has two decimals with the same size and alignment. In our example, we will choose to include the item list unit information inside the price preset. To do so, let's edit the suffix by clicking the Suffixes button. Instead of fixed text, let's choose Database column. To use the unit information from your item list, select the unit column below. Let's now change the size to 50% and choose Aligned on bottom. We have now finished setting up our preset for the decimal price type. We will now reproduce our settings for the other two price types. Let's reproduce our price preset for the integer prices. And finally, let's reproduce our price preset for the prices lower than 1. Note that these presets allow multiple combinations of currencies and formats. If your currency is not available, simply select one of the price presets and click User-Defined Format to replace the currency sign with your own. In most presets, the currency sign is located in prefixes or suffixes. We can now close the Design module. Note that your newly set up price preset will replace the existing one and can now be reused for all your tag layouts without having to repeat the process we have just demonstrated. To do so, open each layout and choose the desired price preset from the list. For more information and details about features presented in this video, please read the frequently asked questions available on www.edikio.com. Thank you for watching.